So if you're like me and you want to make the most of your time so that you can have more time to relax, watch Netflix, maybe have a dance party, we're going to go through exactly how to do that in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the best place to build your tech career and have fun along the way. Today I'm super excited to share with you a strategy that has saved me so many times in planning and scheduling in a week of craziness, a week of classes and exams and projects and meetings. This has saved me, and I wanted to show you how I set up an effective weekly to-do list. We're gonna go through it. It's gonna be super easy, super fun, and you're gonna thank me for it because it's gonna increase your productivity and it's gonna increase your time management skills. So if you're like me and you wanna make the most of your time so that you can have more time to relax, watch Netflix, maybe have a dance party, we're gonna go through exactly how to do that in this video. So with that, let's get started. The supplies that I'll be using are pretty simple, just a sheet of notebook paper, a pen, a ruler, and different colored markers. I start off by dividing my paper into 6 sections. These sections represent the areas of my life that take up most of my time, so these include classes and career development and YouTube. So now I'm labeling my sections, and I start with my classes in the order that they appear during my week. So I have network theory, AI, cryptography, and then I have career research, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and self and home. And then at the top of the page, I write the date of the week. So the next part is to write down the tasks that are due for each section. I usually use a triangle to denote different tasks, and then I'll use a circle for meeting times. So for example, for network theory, I have a presentation this week, so I divided a big task into smaller tasks, and then I also wrote down that I was going to practice presenting in a meeting, so I used a circle for that meeting time, and then I also denoted class times, which is a meeting time, with the circle. And now I'm just continuing this process for my other classes and categories. When it comes to Instagram posts, I like to plan things day by day. So for this section, I am writing down a different post idea for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then for self and home, I like to have a fitness category. And so for this section, I also do daily goals. So I have something for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way to Sunday. Now for the exciting part, I color code my to-do list, so I choose to use green to denote meeting times, and so I'm just going over each meeting time with a green marker. Now I'm going to pick up a red marker to denote the most important or the most difficult tasks for my week. And then lastly, I use a yellow marker to denote the tasks which are due the soonest for the week. That way I can get them done first and I won't be behind in anything. And then lastly, I chose to use some other markers to jazz up my to-do list just a little bit. So I'm outlining the date of the week and then different sections on each category. So now you know how to set up an effective weekly to-do list. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have other strategies that you use to stay productive, I'd love to hear them in the comments down below. And if you're new here, I upload lifestyle videos on Tuesdays, and I upload computer science, math, career-related videos on Fridays. So be tuned this Friday for a computer science related video, and I am just so excited to get this week started. I have midterms coming up as a grad student, so that's gonna be interesting. And if you're going through that too, I'm cheering you on. You can do this, you will study, and then you will take your midterm exam and it will all be okay, I promise. So yeah, check out some of my other playlists if you're interested, and stick around if you like my content. Thank you guys so much and have a great week.